In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cartoon animation video in Renderforest. First, open your browser, head to the Renderforest website, and click Log In. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left panel, click Templates. This is where you'll find ready-made layouts designed to speed up your workflow and keep everything consistent from scene to scene. Inside Templates, click Animation. This narrows the library to animated options. In the search bar, type Cartoon Animation to filter results to the cartoon styles. You'll see a variety of themes and visual approaches, from playful to professional. Pick the one that best fits your idea, then click Create Now to open the editor. You'll see a storyboard across the bottom or side of the screen showing your video's structure scene by scene. Click a scene in the storyboard to start customizing it. This lets you work in manageable chunks and maintain a clear flow through your story. To change what appears on screen in each scene, click Text and edit the dialogue or titles. Keep your text concise and legible. Shorter lines usually read better and give your visuals more room to shine. If your script is longer, consider splitting it across multiple scenes for better pacing. Next, personalize the visuals. Click Characters or Images to add or replace graphics. Choose characters that reflect your message and audience, and use images that support the story you're telling. You can replace default placeholders with your own assets or select from available options in the library. Aim for consistency in style and color so the video feels cohesive. Now bring it to life with sound. Click Audio, then VoiceOver to upload or record your own audio. If you're recording directly in the editor, speak clearly, keep your mic at a consistent distance, and watch your input levels to avoid clipping. If you're uploading, use a clean, high-quality file. Align your voiceover with the scene so the visuals and narration reinforce each other. When you're ready to see how it all comes together, click Preview to watch your video. Use this as a quality check for timing, text readability, and audio clarity. If something feels off, jump back into the relevant scene, make adjustments, and preview again. Once everything looks and sounds right, click Export. Renderforest will process your project and prepare the final video. That's it, your cartoon animation is ready to share.